Credit score's too low? So's my integrity. All right? Come to me. I'll get you a loan, no problem. You know what? Get that camera out of my face. What's perfect credit? Do you actually know what kind of credit score you need to purchase a home? You're misinformed. I'm misinformed. No, I'm not. I'm an authority. First of all, what credit score do you need to purchase a home? Do you know? I'm sure that you probably don't. That is, again, why we have always talked about first step being talk to a mortgage lender. Then you can see what you need, see where you need to be, and see how you get there. What is less than perfect credit? Do you know what your credit score is right at this moment? Are you tracking it on one of those apps like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, anything like that? And how do you know what credit score you need to be qualified for a loan? First things first, talk to a mortgage lender. They'll be able to let you know where you need to be credit-wise and what kind of products they offer. Secondly, if you know that your credit score is way below what you're going to need, there are services out there that help boost your credit. I myself have used one. My credit was less than perfect. I was a flawed man. It's true. But I did something about it. I called a credit repair agency, a reputable one that actually provided great results, and I changed my whole financial profile. Talking about credit counselors, there are numerous things that they do that help your credit score. Now, one of them, and the biggest thing that I found, is that they're able to go in and get derogatory marks off of your credit report, and that is one of the probably quickest things that moves your numbers upwards. Common misconception. When I am looking for a mortgage lender to take a look at my profile, my credit profile, you have to pick the right one right off the bat because they're going to do a hard inquiry on your credit report. Something that a lot of people don't know is that when it comes to mortgage loans, auto loans, and I think there's a couple other things out there, but I'm not quite sure. But I know for sure mortgage and auto. When they look back on your credit report over the past 30 days, doesn't matter how many inquiries you've had, they lump all of your mortgage loan inquiries as one credit pull. So it's not impacting your credit score as much as you think it is. So definitely shop around. If you have any additional questions or any commentary at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments. Also, thumbs up. You like this video, I can tell. Feel it. But go ahead and subscribe as well, all right? And we will put out a lot more content, ask some more questions that you want us to make videos on, and I'll have them up as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.